This is tutorial number 3 in the Giovanni Analysis Options tutorial series on the Area Averaged Time Series analysis. Area Averaged Time Series are used to display the value of a data variable that has been averaged from all the data values acquired for a selected region for each incremental time step of a data product. In Giovanni, Area Averaged Time Series can be generated for any data product that has time increments. They can be made for products with any time interval, half-hourly, hourly, daily, monthly, etc. More than one variable can be plotted at the same time, even if they have different time increments. If multiple time series are plotted, each time series only displays a single variable. The first step is to select the Area Averaged Time Series option, which is found in the Time Series menu, as shown here. The selected option is highlighted in yellow. The next step is to select a data variable or variables for the analysis. For this example, the Tropical Rainfall Measuring Mission TRIM 3B43 version 7 precipitation rate variable will be used. Note the unit selection box at far right, which will be discussed later in the tutorial. The time period selected for this monthly data variable is from December 2002 to February 2004, which includes data for the entire year of 2003. This selected time period provides a good view of this data variable for a full year, as you will see. For the final step, select the region of interest for the analysis. For this example, we will be looking at a time series of precipitation rate data over the territory of Puerto Rico. Though a bounding box was used here, as shown, Puerto Rico is also available as a shapefile under U.S. states. When all of the selections have been made, click the Plot Data button. Here is the plot of the resulting time series. Note that if the period January 2003 to December 2003 had been chosen, the value for the month of January would have been on the y-axis of the plot. Choosing a period of time longer than the period of interest can make it easier to see the data for that period. The values of January 2003 and December 2003 are highlighted with arrows. It is now possible to compare this data for a normal year to the record-breaking rainfall from Hurricane Maria. There are two replotting options available for Area Averaged Time Series. For the initial plot, the data value range for the y-axis is chosen dynamically based on the minimum and maximum values calculated for the time series. Under Plot Options in the menu to the left of the plot, the y-axis minimum and maximum values can be selected by the user. This is particularly useful to aid comparison of time series made for different time periods, so that all the time series have the same data value range. For this example, 0 millimeters per hour is chosen as the minimum, and 1 millimeter per hour is chosen as the maximum. At left is the resulting plot with the selected minimum and maximum values. If the fitted line box is checked, a regression line will be displayed. This option is provided as a guide to evaluate potential trends in the data. Actual regression analysis should be performed on the data values to obtain accurate statistics. The other replotting option is available only for variables with more than one choice for units. Earlier we noted that this variable has a units selection box. In this example, inch per month can be selected rather than millimeters per hour. This selection is made on the Giovanni interface before plotting the data. Other units options are also available. This is the resulting plot using the default y-axis minimum and maximum values if inch per month is selected for the units. Area Average Time Series have two download options. The plot can be downloaded as a PNG image. The data values can be downloaded as text in a comma-separated variable .csv file. These data values can then be used for statistical analyses. The PNG image of the plot can also be downloaded when it is displayed in the browser window. This concludes the Giovanni Area Averaged Time Series video tutorial. Thank you for watching.